Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create fundraising design in Canva. So you want to create fundraising, you just use Canva in order to create artsy like a beautiful fundraising template here. So you can go with the apps, click apps and search for apps and just paste fundraising. And here we go, donate in design, create beautiful fundraising design in no time. So you can click to use in new design. So here, if you cannot or there is an error, maybe your donate in design Canva app is not available in your country. So currently available countries only on Australia, United Kingdom and United States. So here maybe you want to use a VPN, feel free to try. So here more or less it will become like this. So the design will be like this. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.